Anna wakes up to a sunny morning. She looks outside her window. The sky is blue and birds sing. Today feels special, but Anna does not know why. She decides to go to the park. Anna loves the park. It is near her house. She puts on a hat and takes her picnic basket. Anna walks down the street. She waves to her neighbor, Mr. Brown. He is watering his flowers. "Good morning, Anna," he says. Anna smiles and replies, "Good morning, Mr. Brown." The park is green and full of trees. Anna finds her favorite spot under a big oak tree. She spreads out her picnic blanket. She sits down, feeling happy. The air is fresh and the sun is warm. Anna opens her basket. She has an apple, a sandwich, and a small cake. This is a perfect day, Anna thinks. As Anna eats her apple, she hears a giggle. She looks around but sees no one. Anna is curious. Who is giggling? She stands up and walks a little. Then she sees a small puppy playing in the grass. The puppy is white with brown spots. It is chasing butterflies. Anna laughs softly. The puppy is so cute and playful. Anna sits on the grass, and the puppy comes to her. It sniffs her picnic basket. Anna smiles and takes out her sandwich. She breaks a small piece and gives it to the puppy. The puppy wags its tail. It eats the bread happily. "You are a hungry little puppy," says Anna. She looks around for the puppy's owner, but no one is near. After a while, a girl runs up. She is about Anna's age. "Oh, there you are, Max," the girl says. "I am so sorry if he bothered you," she tells Anna. Anna smiles and says, "No problem at all. Max is very sweet." The girl sits with Anna. Her name is Lily. Anna and Lily talk. They share stories. Lily tells Anna about Max. Max is her new puppy. Anna tells Lily about her favorite tree in the park. They both laugh and enjoy the nice weather. They decide to meet again next week. Max curls up next to Anna. He looks very happy. Anna feels happy too. She has made a new friend. As the sun begins to set, Anna packs her things. She waves goodbye to Lily and Max. "See you next week," she says. Anna walks home feeling the warmth of the sun and the happiness in her heart. Today was indeed a special day. Sometimes surprises are just around the corner. With a smile, Anna knows she will dream about her fun day at the park. The end.